slow down. Take your foot off the pedal. How the hell I'm gonna slow down? Still reach your next level. I got things I gotta do now. Truly my friend. For each thing that I do now, it breeds another 10.
I live a high-speed life like your highlights side by side. My life's one mad ride and I'm riding it. Always tired a bit, still wired a bit. I ain't lying a bit. I didn't sleep last night. The promoter doubled the riding because of what I did. I was up all night with the guys vibing and work hard. I gotta go out when I like. I got a high-speed mic with go faster stripes. I'm a foot staying in, I'm a foot paying in. I'm a vet round there, put a foot pain in. I see man come and go, man, enough raining, enough complaining, enough talk of payment. Man, a famous figure on the A-list, posing for the cameras, but running from the bailiffs. So don't tell me slow down, tell me when the train of the plane is and how many pairs of trainers.
Many people tell me slow down, take your foot off the pedal. How the hell I'm gonna slow down, still reach your next level. I got things I gotta do now, truly my friend. For each thing that I do now, it breeds another 10.
I'm on it, no panic, but moving faster than the planet. Kinda like Sonic in a mad spin. Mad thing, yeah, done it. Done did enough bad things, now on it. Different kind of ways nowadays, I'm running. Fly through space nowadays like a comet. Time and place to your face if you're on it. Don't tell me slow down, to be honest. You should speed up, before they get G'd up. Life is a straight chase, tie up your lace, mate. I'm picking the feet up. Deep in the chase, you still see me get lean up. Do what many heads do in a week, but get that done while building my weed up. While phoning a gal and plus throwing my fees up. I work great, don't work for peanuts. Work to innovate, elevate the genius. Elevate the genius. Elevate the genius. Elevate the genius. Elevate the genius.
Many people tell me slow down, take your foot off the pedal. How the hell I'm gonna slow down, still reach your next level. I got things I gotta do now, truly my friend. For each thing that I do now, it breeds another 10.
Word to the wise, I've been at work today, don't rest for the weary. See myself already turning grim. My fan said working to hours, I'm assuming early gravings. Waiting, got to earn the way, and earn the way. She worked to bait to bear my haze. Is what I used to meditate, medicate. It's a get let it waste your whole life. You better hold tight. Paro guys, lose the headlight, they got close. Sign up north, stay the most high. And I reverse like a nosedive. Ever since I chose my profession to show my own shine. So know why I would never let the flow die. Do it for the underground and get looking the coast. And I for corporate and coke lines. Just another nigga with nights in the city life. Like gold, your skin golden and she's sitting nice. With them thickish fries and a cranberry and vodka that she sits with eyes and thinking twice when to give him a size that I needed in this life.
Many people tell me slow down, take your foot off the pedal. How the hell I'm gonna slow down, still reach your next level. I got things I gotta do now, truly my friend. For each thing that I do now, it breeds another 10.
Yeah. Standard do the dad, like you can't even try and like do that. I spy with the all-seeing, all-knowing eye, cold-blowing, tight smoke out my nose in the know. I spy with the all-seeing, all-knowing eye, cold-blowing, tight smoke out my nose in. I spy with the all-seeing, all-knowing. I spy with the all-seeing, all-knowing. I spy with the, 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 I spy with the all-seeing, all-knowing. I spy with the all-seeing, all-knowing eye, cold-blowing, tight smoke smoke out my nose in the night. Slides and box, I box in the twilight. The foresight, my hindsight, my side check, the dynamite. That's a rap, son. My cap gun that I never stop clicking. The clock's ticking on that one. Pass Jimmy the ammunition. Raps kicking it, a man are itching to gather around and have a listen. My last mini, this more harsh and Darth Sidious. I start silliness. Work one, the class idiot, thinner and gun smoke. The masked militant, the dark filament. I'm gung ho, my tongue go killing it. Discipline, I walk swinging my scimitar over the whistle of the wind. I sing the Tao Te Ching. Clog, clog, clog. I walk the streets and every now and then I stop to breathe.
I handcraft the next yarn from rap Sartre. I cast sparks into the darkness for man's martyr. Watch the earth burn in flame retardant pajamas. From my back garden as karma. I draw breath and start the perfect storm as I pour sweat. My pores force fake guarana. The spores of pure scorn bore my flesh. I walk with a can of lager and warm crepes. The Lord wept to the sounds of Sinatra as Dax was born to a soundtrack of canned laughter. Ah, Dax the grandmaster. The chap nastier than a bank robber. Drop a nang rap render your man's cannon fodder. The crackpot got tracks, make man's race up their damn hands like Maradona. The midnight channel hopper, I walk the thin line between man and monster.
Five senses but none common as fucks. A night spent cotching and such and running amok. Described threatening by the upper crust, but it's the ones with true power are the ones that corrupt. We're not street robbers, just beat clubbers in this concrete metropolis. Watching Big Brother while Big Brother be watching us. I stay anonymous because my moniker's synonymous with the opposite on top of this monotonous world. Yeah, I often held philosophical pearls of ominous words. From Smirnoff to Herb to Rock, it's not a mystery for Sherlock. Just another suburban tale from the third rock. It's the return of the scourge of this landscape. You heard what this man said. For hermits that burn, but I'll translate in bad days and leave you vermin to squirm in the rat race. These days I trace the streets from A to B in faded jeans that I've aged for weeks. 18 with the ways and means that aided me from day, but now I play with the ace on my sleeve. So take a seat and re-raise the stakes, cause we play for keeps in this game for cheats, thieves and cheapskates. Where there's fame to seek, say cheese while your face is beamed. For every P range, waste the space to see. Don't let the name deceive, cause 8 means I aim to please with ease. So let me say my piece and leave. It's safe to blatantly taking these lazy punks, displacing skunks at once and making them straighten up. And if there ain't enough, then stay in touch, we're going on that way. It's contact play, we're playing rough. It's the crazy fuck the ladies love. So let the tables run, take both spuds and raise them up.
I stand nauseous with Mr. Ape spit and wage war from the corners of British made shores in a fit of rage. Walk with a bitter taste swarming. Spit a straight four on a Jimmy made score. Watch chores falling. Forewarning a grim and grey dawn for the cityscape still awake yawning. Forced to begin the day, still a stage crawling. Scrawling a lyric on my litter stained floor for my sicker braids. Ripping A4 till I walk with the Zimmer frame. Take the scrawny, you scorch them to fricassee portions. Pause on your dinner plate, black and court shapes like finger paint drawings within a page. With your pickled brain stored in my living space, make your crotch awkward, I storm in and misbehave. Any given stage life, that's the way I think, or at least the liquor talking, walking in a state of bliss.